Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading with Zahid, your daily dose of Forex updates and market trends. If you're into trading, investing, or just want to stay ahead in the world of currencies, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. That way you'll never miss a single update. All right, let's get into today's Forex news. So here's what's been happening in the Forex market today. The US dollar is on a roll, climbing about 0.5% against the euro. Why? Well, the Fed dropped some hints about a possible rate hike coming soon. Traders are reacting, and it's giving the dollar some serious momentum. On the other side of the pond, the British pound, not looking too great. Some weak economic data from the UK is putting pressure on it, and it's definitely something to watch if you're trading GBP USD. All right, let me break down the top Forex stories you need to know about today. The US dollar index hit a 2-month high. Strong retail sales data is keeping it pumped up. The euro? It's under a bit of pressure right now. The European Central Bank seems split on what to do with rates, and that's creating a lot of uncertainty. And the Japanese yen? It's staging a bit of a comeback. It's up 0.3% against the dollar, with rumors swirling about possible tweaks in Bank of Japan policies.